Canova Dog Beach, the only dog-friendly beach. Brevard County, sorry. This is my mom. My name's Tori, and her name is Denise. And we are going to travel along to Florida and visit all of the beaches here in Florida. So I hope you guys enjoy our channel. Bye.
Sand is really hot. I know. So I want to walk in the grass as much as I can.
Yeah. Bye. Oh, I'm still recording. I know.
He's so cute.
So after the beach, my mom and I wanted to go to this restaurant called Lou's Blues. It is right by the beach. So if you sit outside, they have an amazing view of the ocean, which you will see later on in the clip. But this is a biker kind of bar slash karaoke. They do have live music, trivia night. We've never been here at nighttime before, but I'm pretty sure we would probably go one time at night. We don't really go out at night anyway, but they have some good appetizers. We didn't really try any of them actual fills yet beforehand, but they have some good appetizers and they have some good drinks. I definitely recommend to go there for food and drinks. At Lou's Blues, having a drink and the appetizer. Cheers.
Funnel cake fries. Yum oh.
definitely recommend it. So after we cross the bridge, there's going to be a lot of places to eat in downtown Melbourne. They have some amazing restaurants, and I really recommend Pineapple. If you are in town, definitely check them out. They have some really good food and some really, really good drinks. I definitely recommend that restaurant. I'm trying